Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, December the 23rd, 2025. KSE-100 index repeated the recent script today, grinding sideways near the highs with little change in the daily narrative. Let's take another look. All right, so this is where we are at a 130.44 point drop for the day. Otherwise, nothing has really changed. A similar candle like yesterday's, a sort of a spinning top, again above all important exponential moving averages. Moving average stack firmly bullish sign. Once again, volume is below its own average, as has been the case for a while now. RSI is still pretty strong at 65.32, but now just marginally below its own moving average, which shows a stable but not strengthening momentum story for today. MACD, similar story. Positive spread remains, but the histogram is now shrinking, getting small, which indicates that bullish momentum is present but subdued again. ADX, again, the similar story. 2385, it shows, since it's above 20, it confirms uptrend remains in force despite the flat session. So technically, we are still in the uptrend, but for a while now, the market has been drifting sideways more or less aimlessly. Perhaps it's the last few trading days of the year in which activity is very dull. So all in all, our verdict for the day is that the uptrend is intact, no doubt about that, but today was a low energy stall. As long as the 173.18, which is the 10-day EMA, as long as this level holds, the bias stays upwards. While 171.867, that's the high for the day, this remains the near-term cap that needs a clean close above it to reignite momentum. With clean close above, we will also need volume that is above average. That has been lacking so far. Let's see what the coming days bring. Thank you.